Hi, this is Melinda here, sending you a little video message from Paris. Yes, I'm still in Paris and still working. No vacation for me yet. I hope you enjoy your summer wherever you are. I have something super exciting and helpful to share for founders who are looking to raise capital. Because did you know that investors, they are not like objective robots? You know, they also have feelings, and actually they base a lot of their decisions on their subjective feelings that drive them. And so it's actually not like your pitch deck or the information that you put in there that is the most important to get an investor to say yes to invest in your startup. It's actually that you need to make the investor feel something. So I have created the acronym CUTE, that stands for the 4 feelings that the investor needs to feel to say yes to your startup. So that stands for confidence, urgency, trust, and excitement. Those are the 4 feelings that an investor needs to feel to say yes to your startup. I've created a guide that gives you 11 techniques on how to get the investor to feel this, what to say, what to do, and I really want to share it with you. So just let me know in the comments that you want it, and also add me here as a connection on LinkedIn, and I'll make sure you get it. Have a nice summer. Enjoy. Bye.